Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Webflow to publish responsive landing pages, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Webflow homepage. Log into your Webflow account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the project where you want to publish your responsive landing page. On the left sidebar, click on the Project Settings tab. In the Project Settings menu, find and select the Integrations tab. Scroll down to the Webflow API section. Enable the API access toggle if it's not already turned on. Click on the Generate API Token button. A pop-up window will appear with your new API token. Copy this token and store it in a secure location. Next, open your preferred code editor to set up your publishing environment. Create a new JavaScript file within your project directory. In your JavaScript file, include the necessary libraries to interact with the Webflow API. Use the generated API token for authorization in your code. Set up a function to send a request to the Webflow API for publishing. Specify the project ID and any other required parameters in your request. Make sure to handle the response from the API appropriately. If the response indicates success, your landing page will be published. Test the function to ensure it works as expected. Once everything is functioning, deploy your changes to your hosting platform. Finally, revisit your Webflow dashboard to verify that your landing page is live and responsive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.